Hello students, welcome to the mathematics class. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Geometry is a different branch of mathematics. The word geometry is derived from the Greek word geometrical. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. In this chapter, we are going to deal with different geometrical shapes. First, we are going to study about a point. Dots are used to represent points. A point is used to represent any specific location or position. It neither has any size nor dimensions, such as length or breadth. If there are two different points, A and B, then the shortest path between these 2 points is a line segment. These 2 points are endpoints of the line segment, and the shortest distance is known as the length of the line segment. So, a line segment has 2 endpoints and it has a definite length. A line has no endpoints, hence it can be extended indefinitely in both the directions. So, it has no definite length. There are different types of lines, like intersecting lines or parallel lines. If two lines have one common point, they are called intersecting lines. For example, the adjacent edges of your notebook, the letter X of the English alphabet, or even a cross sign. Parallel lines. Parallel lines are the lines which do not meet, or we can say the distance between the two lines remains the constant. There are different types of lines. For example, intersecting lines or parallel lines. Intersecting lines are the lines Have you ever taken a piece of paper and just doodled? The pictures that are results of your doodling are called curves, or we can say that curves means which is not straight. So these are the drawings which are drawn without lifting the pencil from the paper or without the use of a ruler.
Open curve. A curve which does not form a closed path is called an open curve. Or we can say, if the starting point and the end points are not joined together, then it is an open curve. Closed curve. A curve which forms a closed path is called a closed curve. Or if the starting point and the end points are joined, then it is a closed curve. Simple curve. A curve which does not cross itself is called a simple curve.
Polygon. A polygon is a closed figure bounded by 3 or more line segments that intersect exactly to form a closed curve. The smallest possible polygon is a triangle, that is of 3 line segments. Angles. Angle can also be called as a corner. Angle is made when any 2 or more rays starting from the same vertex point. So, it is made up of 2 rays starting from a common end point. Angle can be demonstrated using this symbol.
Let's do a question. You have to name the angles given in the figure. It is a polygon and its name is ABCD. Now, we can write the name of the angles in 2 different ways. We can write the angles as angle A, angle B angle C and angle D. In another way, we can also write the name of the angles while keeping the vertex as the middle letter. For example, we can write these angles as angle ABC, then angle BAC, angle ACD and angle BDC. Our next topic is triangles. A triangle is a closed figure made up of 3 line segments, or we can say a 3-sided polygon is known as a triangle. It has 3 sides, 3 corners and 3 angles. Let us do a question. Look at the figure. It is a triangle named ABC, which is divided by a line into 2 parts. Now you have to name 6 angles present in this figure. Also write down the name of the 6 line segments. Quadrilateral. A polygon having 4 sides is known as quadrilateral. There are different types of quadrilaterals like a square, a rectangle, kite, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus and so on. Each quadrilateral has a name. Look at this figure. It is a quadrilateral ABCD. It has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 corners. Now you have to write the name of the opposite sides, name of opposite angles, adjacent sides and adjacent angles. So we can see that side AB is opposite to side CD. Similarly, side AD is opposite to side BC. If we will talk about opposite angles, angle A is opposite to angle C and angle B is opposite to angle D. Adjacent sides. Sides which have a common vertex are the adjacent sides. AD is adjacent to DC. AB is adjacent to BC. BC is adjacent to CD as they have a common vertex C, and similarly AD is adjacent to side AB. Adjacent angles. Angle A is adjacent to angle B and angle B is adjacent to angle C, or angle C is adjacent to angle D. Circles. A circle is a simple closed curve. It is not a polygon because it is not made up of line segments. A circle, we can say, is the path of a point moving at the fixed distance from a fixed point. Now we will learn different parts of the circle. Look at this figure. In this figure, O represents the center of the circle. The fixed point is called the center of the circle, point O. Now, next part is radius, the line segment that connects the center of the circle to any point on the boundary of the circle is the radius of the circle. In this given figure, OA is the radius of the circle. OB is also a radius of the circle and OC is also the radius of the circle. Diameter, line segment that connects 2 points on the circle passing through the center is called the diameter. We can also say that diameter is twice of radius. Here AB is representing our diameter. Next, chord. Any line segment connecting 2 points on the boundary of the circle, not necessarily passing through the center, is the chord. Here AD is the chord. In this chapter, we have learnt about the different geometrical shapes and their ideas. I hope you enjoyed learning. Thank you.